Hey! Ready to design a cool logo in minutes? Let's make something awesome. Let's jump right in. First, grab the rectangle tool and draw a square. Now take that same tool and draw a rectangle, same width, and place it right in the center. Make it white. Boom, that's the airplane body right there. Next up, the wings. Just follow these settings with me, super easy. We've got ourselves a clean little airplane icon. If you're enjoying this tutorial, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more cool design content. Alright, now let's grab the text tool and type in your company name. Look at that! We've just created a modern, stylish brand, together. Now it's your turn, use this style to bring your brand ideas to life. Thanks for watching! To support me and see more tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts with me.